a story of a great king who lived 5,000 years ago. Just after Lord Krishna passed, he left this planet and went. The grandson of the Pandavas, you know who the Pandavas are, right? The grandson of the Pandavas was Parikshit, Maharaj Parikshit. He was the ruler of the entire world. At one point in time, he saw that there were a lot of ill omens, evil signs in the world at that time. Maybe like acid rain or people dying untimely, many things like what we are seeing today. A lot of omens, bad omens were going on. He could experience all those things. So he thought something is wrong. I have to go and find out what is the reason for this. So he took his army and then he went on a world tour. He met a very, very evil person. He was dressed like a king. This evil person you can see in the picture, right? He was dressed like a king, but what was he doing? He had taken a club in his hand and he was beating the legs of a bull. He had actually broken 3 of the 4 legs of the bull. And there was a cow right next to that bull. Both of them were crying. They were shedding profuse tears. And when Maharaj Parikshit saw this, he became extremely angry. He pulled out his sword and he was about to chop off the head of this evil person. You know what? This bull was not an ordinary bull. This bull was actually Dharma. Dharma, or the god of religion. Right now, 3 of his 4 legs were broken. Only 1 leg was remaining. What are they? I will tell you a little later. Now, moving on with the story. So what happened when the king was about to strike and chop off the head of this evil person? His name was Kali. Kali, yes. The person who's in charge of this particular age called Kali Yuga. And when Maharaj Parikshit was about to chop off his head, Kali pleaded with the king. He said, he begged, he said, my dear king, I am also your subject. How can you kill me? Then Maharaj Parikshit said, okay, go away from my sight. Don't disturb anybody. And then the evil Kali said, my dear king, this whole planet is yours. Where shall I go? Then you know what Maharaj Parikshit said? Maharaj Parikshit gave him 4 places to stay. He said, go and stay in places where bad things happen, places where people consume alcohol, places where innocent animals are killed, places where people are not living in proper relationships, and places where gambling happens. Actually, under the rule of Maharaj Parikshit, none of these places existed, and Kali knew about this. So again he asked, oh my dear king, where shall I go? These 4 places don't exist in your kingdom because you are such a wonderful king. These places don't even exist. Then Maharaj Parikshit said, okay, go and stay in places where there is excessive amount of gold stored. And after a few years, Kali was constantly waiting for Maharaj Parikshit to die somehow. Because he knew as long as Maharaj Parikshit was on the planet, he cannot spread his influence and spread all the vices and the bad things and the evil things. So he was waiting. And once after 2 years, such an occasion came. He got a chance. What happened, I will tell you. Maharaj Parikshit was in the forest and he was lost. He was thirsty and he was hungry. Maharaj Parikshit traveled everywhere in the forest. He was looking for some place where he could get a little water. And somehow, by some arrangement, he entered the hermitage. Hermitage means the ashram of Shamika Rishi. He was a very saintly sage. And when Maharaj Parikshit entered the kutir of Shamika Rishi, you can see here, right, in the picture, Maharaj Parikshit entered. Shamika Rishi was completely lost, absorbed in meditation. He was meditating on the Lord. And he was so absorbed that he didn't even realize that the emperor of the whole world had entered his kutir. Maharaj Parikshit was very angry. He was already thirsty. But very unlike Maharaj Parikshit, his anger got the better of him. And what did he do? He picked up a dead snake with the end of his bow. You can see the dead snake at the end of his bow. Can you see that? Yes. So he picked it up and then he garlanded the sage with that dead snake. And Maharaj Parikshit walked away. But when Maharaj Parikshit reached his palace, he was very, very unhappy. He was thinking, how did I do such a thing? I shouldn't have done this to the sage. I insulted him so badly. So he was thinking like that. But then what happened here? The son of the sage, his name, he was a young boy like you, boy or girl. I mean, he was a boy like you, your age. Okay, so he was playing outside. He heard this news that my father had been garlanded by the king with a dead snake. So he became very angry. And what did he do? Immediately he touched a little water and he pronounced a curse. This upstart, this arrogant king has to die, and he will die in 7 days. A snake will bite him and he will die. He cursed like that in 7 days, and the king was bitten by a flying bird snake and he passed on. I have to tell you a backstory. Shringi was a small boy, right? How did he get so much anger? The thing is, one day after going out, when Shringi returned back to the hermitage, Shringi also washed his feet. But then a small portion on the back of his heel, the water didn't touch. And through that portion, Kali entered into Shringi. And Kali occupied the heart of Shringi. That is how you see Shringi became so angry and he cursed the king. One is cleanliness, the other is mercy. Cleanliness is Shaucham, mercy is Daya, austerity is Tapa, and truth is Satyam. So the only leg which the bull was standing on was this leg of truthfulness. So from these 4 pillars, Kali moved the earth and the entire people of the earth to the 4 pillars of Adharma. What are they? Gambling, meat eating, illicit relationships, and intoxication. Okay, now there is a connection between this 4 and this 4. If you see, cleanliness is destroyed by bad relationships. Mercy or Daya is destroyed by meat eating, killing animals. Austerity or Tapa is destroyed by consuming alcohol or intoxicating oneself. And truth or Satyam is destroyed by gambling, because when you're gambling, you'll have to speak lies, right? So Kali did like this, and then after that, the whole world was filled with all these bad things. Everybody started to kill animals, gamble, and lie, and treat each other very badly. And the whole world was like in a fire.